Canon Color imageCLASS MF751Cwd2 results. Wait till you see what 7-second first print feels like.
Picture this. It's 4:57 p.m. on a Friday. Your boss just dropped a 40-page color proposal that needs to be on her desk Monday morning, and your inkjet decides to throw a full tantrum. Streaks, clogs, and that terrifying low ink warning, even though you changed it yesterday. I literally stood there yelling at a machine like an idiot. Ever felt like your printer hates you personally? Drop same in the comments if Friday nights are ruined by ink drama.
That's sinking, wallet-draining dread when you realize you're about to spend another $120 on ink that'll dry up before the next print job, while the machine mocks you with half-blank pages. Your stomach knots, your weekend evaporates, and you swear you'll switch one day. Imagine if there was a way to never babysit a printer again without adding more chaos to your life. Keep watching, because I'm about to make you grin like a villain.
Then I brought home the Canon Color imageCLASS MF751Cdw2. First job, that same 40-page proposal. Full color, double-sided. 8 minutes later, it was sitting warm in the tray, looking like it came from a print shop. The single-pass Duplex scanner inhaled a 50-page, double-sided contract in 42 seconds flat. No flipping, no jamming, no prayer. One night, I was helping my buddy scan years of receipts for taxes. He was ready to cry until the touchscreen let him drag and drop a one-touch scan receipts to Dropbox button. 7-second first print means it hit print and it's already sliding out before you finish walking to the machine. Suddenly, printing feels like cheating.
Here's the wild part. Everyone's saying the same thing. PC Mag called the single-pass scanner a legit game changer for any office that actually uses paper. A small law firm I know ditched 2 failing inkjets and 1 ancient laser for this single Canon and saved $2,400 a year on ink alone. One office manager told me, "I forgot printers could just work." My own unit has eaten 8,000 pages in 6 months, 0 jams, 0 clogs, still looks brand new. The only pushback I ever hear is, "But laser toner is expensive." Then they see the 069 high-capacity cartridges print 7,600 pages in black and 5,500 pages in color, and suddenly inkjet feels like daylight robbery. This is exactly why thousands of offices are quietly making the switch right now. Which feature would save your sanity first, the 35 ppm speed or never cleaning ink heads again? Tell me below.
So imagine Monday mornings where you hit print and actually walk away like a sane person. No more ink roulette, no more Friday night printer fights, just crisp, professional pages every single time. Thousands of small businesses, teachers, and remote workers have already ditched the drama with the Canon Color imageCLASS MF751Cw2, and they're never going back. I dropped my affiliate link in the description and pinned comment. Full disclosure, I earn a small commission. Click it, grab yours before stock disappears again, and thank me when your next proposal prints itself while you sip coffee. Don't just watch, jump in and transform your workflow today.